56. The event. This is a Makki Surah revealed in the early Makkan period. This is the 7th Surah of the group of Surahs that began with Surah Qaf. It completes the subject of death, resurrection and divine judgment. The surah has 96 verses in 3 sections. The surah talks about the resurrection that will definitely take place. It is a fact undeniable. The human beings then will be in 3 different groups. The faithful are of 2 types: those who are the pioneers and are foremost in their faith and in struggle in the path of Allah. They are a large number from amongst the earlier community and a small from among the later generations. Then the rest of the people are believers and those who oppose the faith. Allah's rewards are for the faithful, and His anger and chastisement is waiting for the opponents of faith. The surah then invites human beings to think about themselves and the things that they use daily and consider who created all these things. It talks about the Quran and its profound and consistent message, and then finally reminds about death and the coming end of every being. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. The reality will come to pass. The humanity will be in 3 camps: people of the right hand, people of the left hand, and the foremost in faith, the reward of the believers. Number 2. The guilty and their punishment. Arguments about the Tawheed and Akhirah. Number 3. The Quran and its consistent message. Reminder about death, divine judgment, and the reward and punishment.